In this video, we will discuss about addition reactions. So first of all, what is an addition reaction? Unsaturated hydrocarbons add hydrogen in the presence of catalysts to give rise to saturated hydrocarbons. So unsaturated hydrocarbons are the ones which are alkenes and alkynes, the ones with double bonds and triple bonds. So what are they doing? They're adding hydrogen to themselves in the presence of a catalyst. So what is a catalyst? A catalyst is a particular substance that enhances the rate of the reaction, but it will not involve in the reaction. For example, if a particular reaction takes place in 5 minutes, if a catalyst is added, it will be completed in just 2 minutes. So a catalyst will not involve in the reaction but will enhance or increase the rate of reaction. So now when the unsaturated hydrocarbons are added to hydrogens in the presence of a catalyst which will enhance the reaction, then these unsaturated hydrocarbons will form or convert into saturated hydrocarbons. That means double and triple bonds are converted to single bonds. So the catalysts that are used in these reactions are palladium or nickel. So this particular thing is palladium. So this is a particular element called palladium in its very pure or rough state. So this is nickel. So these are the two which are used as catalysts to enhance the rate of reaction. And these are the very main and the basic elements that we basically use in addition reactions as catalysts. So this is the addition reaction. So this is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. So this is an alkene. So double bond, so hence it's an alkene. So it's an unsaturated hydrocarbon. So when we add the catalyst nickel, so this unsaturated hydrocarbon will add up H2, that is hydrogen, to this and will form a saturated hydrocarbon. See, there is no double bond here. Everything is single bonded. So it is a saturated hydrocarbon. So the basic agenda is to unsaturated hydrocarbon, they attach with hydrogen in the presence of a catalyst like nickel or palladium and form a saturated hydrocarbon which are single bonds. So this particular reaction is commonly used in the hydrogenation of vegetable oils using nickel as a catalyst. Vegetable oils generally have long saturated chains. Oils containing unsaturated fatty acids should be chosen for cooking. So this particular sentence says that these reactions are usually used for the hydrogenation of vegetable oils. So here you can see vegetable oil is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. So these contain a lot of triple and double bonds. So they add up with hydrogen in the presence of nickel at a particular temperature and give rise to saturated hydrocarbons. In this case, oil is adding up to H2, vegetable oil to H2 in the presence of nickel at 473 Kelvin to form Vanaspati ghee, which is a saturated hydrocarbon. So all these particular additional reactions are used in the hydrogenation of vegetable oils using nickel as the catalyst. Of course, palladium can also be used. So vegetable oils, they are clear that they have unsaturated hydrocarbons. So these oils which have unsaturated hydrocarbons should be used or chosen for cooking. Thank you.